judge and the jury, the same thing that I said to the cops on the day that I got arrested. I'm innocent, I protested, she just feels rejected. Had her heart broken by someone she's obsessed with, cause she likes the sound of my music, which makes her a fan of my music. So why love goes down makes her lose it, cause she can't separate the man from the music. And I'm saying all this in the stand, when my girl cries tears in the gallery. This has got bigger than I ever could have planned, like that song by the Zootons Valerie. So the jury don't look like they're buying it, and this is making me nervous. Arms crossed, screw face like I'm trying it. The eyes fixed on me like a murderer's. They wanna lock me up and throw away the key. They wanna send me down, even though I told them she